Good morning, Bernie. The big news today in the Korean markets is, of course, the Korea-China FTA deal. But first, I have some earnings that came out overnight that we need to watch. So Korean Airlines is one of the biggest news makers today overnight. They turned to a net loss in the third quarter year on year. The weak won and also dollar-denominated debt that they were holding meant higher interest payments. So this weighed on earnings. The net loss came in at $361 million. Operating profit was up 50% though year on year, and this is coming because of lower fuel costs that they saw during the third quarter. Sales were down 0.6% year on year. Also, another name that reported earnings, CGV, a CJ Group affiliate. Third quarter earnings operating profit came in higher by 54% year on year. Revenues also up 15%, so I'll be watching these two names at the open. And going back to the FTA, it is big news after South Korean President Park Geun-hye and Chinese President Xi Jinping announced this deal early yesterday in Beijing. And under this agreement, Korea will get rid of its tariffs on 79% of all products imported from China. China will be eliminating tariffs on 71% of imports from Korea. This is said to be the biggest, the highest level FTA signed by China in terms of percentage of products covered. This agreement is pending a legal review, which is expected to take a few months. Also, analysts are expecting this agreement, if this goes through, to mean higher exports in terms of tech products and auto exports. We did see gains for the autos yesterday after the news of this FTA. Also, I'll be watching Yuan Securities, one of the security names on the Kospi. It closed a limit high yesterday on news of the FTA. Expectations that opening up of the Chinese markets will be beneficial for this stock. Also, check on the Korean markets before the open, and we'll bring you the opening numbers for Seoul and Tokyo when Squawk Box returns. Stay with us.